Now we are coming on kind of decimal expansion. See here, first one is terminating decimal expansion. Example is given 5 divided by 2. For this, we come to division. Here 5 is our dividend and it is divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. We have subtracted 4 from 5. We are getting 1. Now, remainder is 1 here. We want to divide it completely in order to get the remainder 0. So, what we have done is we have placed here 1 decimal and therefore we have to place decimal here also. Now, we have taken this 0. This 0 will come here. It becomes 10. Now, we will read table of 2. 5s are 10. So, here we have to place 5. 2.5 it becomes and 2 5s are 10 and remainder we are getting is 0. Quotient in this case we are getting is 2.5. So, in such kind of decimal expansions are called as terminating decimal expansion where we are getting remainder as 0. This kind of decimal expansion is terminating. Now, second one. See here, second one is non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. One example I have given you, 10 by 3. Let us divide and see. Here 10 is dividend and it is divided by 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 is subtracted from 10. We are getting here 1. We have to get remainder 0. We will try for it. Then we are getting remainder here as 1. Now what we have done is we have placed here decimal. Here we have placed decimal. It means we have to put the decimal in quotient also. Then 0 we have taken. This 0 it is coming here. It becomes 10. Now again 3 3s are 9. We have subtracted 9 from 10. Again we are getting remainder as 1. Then after decimal we can place as many zeros as we want. So we have placed here 0 and this 0 is coming here. Again it becomes 10. Then again 3 3s are 9. We can see that the series will continue like this forever. 3.333 and so on. We are never going to get remainder 0. Like this 3.333 and so on. Always remember for so on we used to put 3 dots, neither more than 3 nor less than 3. Because here again and again the 3 is being repeated. So what we have to do is we will place bar over 3 and we are getting quotient as 3.3 bar. So this kind of decimal expansion is called as non-terminating. Non-terminating because we are not getting remainder 0 and repeating because the same number is repeating itself again and again. Here 3 is repeating itself again and again. Therefore, this kind of decimal expansion is called as non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. After this, we are coming on third kind of decimal expansion. Third kind of decimal expansion is non-terminating, non-repeating. We are not going to get remainder as 0 and also we are not getting the same number again and again. See here, one example I have given you is 0.1011, 0111, 0111. Here, after 0 there are 2 1, then again 1 0, then 3 1, then again 0, then 4 1 and the series will continue like this. The same number is not being repeated again and again. So we can't put bar here also. This kind of decimal expansion is non-terminating. As non-terminating because we are not getting remainder as 0 and also it is non-repeating. Non-repeating because the same number is not being repeated again and again. So we have three kind of decimal expansions. Now after this we are coming on decimal expansion of real numbers. Decimal expansion of real numbers. See here, earlier I have told you that real numbers are of two types. First is rational number and second one is irrational number. Now see here, rational numbers, they have two kind of decimal expansion. First is terminating decimal expansion and second one is non-terminating repeating. The first two. Rational numbers, they have two kind of decimal expansion. First one is terminating decimal expansion and second one is non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. The first two which we have discussed. Terminating 1 by 2, it can be written as 0.5. Now see here, 2 by 3, it can be written as 0.666 or we can simply write it as 0.6 bar. Here the same numbers repeat itself. Quotient we are never going to get 0 and the same number is repeating itself again and again. So this kind of decimal expansion is called as non-terminating repeating. Rational numbers, they have two kind of decimal expansions, one terminating and other one is non-terminating repeating. Now, irrational number, decimal expansion of irrational number is non-terminating. We are not going to get remainder 0, and also it is non-repeating. The same numbers are not repeating again and again. See here as an example, 0.123, 1234, 1235, 1236 and so on. We are not going to get remainder 0, as well as we are not getting the same numbers again and again. There is a slight change.